See, very important. When you today, I play a very important role over here. Not only creating the brand name of e-market education, but also making sure that the service what we are offering here is qualitative and quite competitive to keep you in that real good edge of the performance, so that tomorrow when you just go out of this and then you start delivering your task on a day-to-day basis, you should do something great, not not on a very normal one. Second thing, what I feel is, yes, a subject knowledge is very very important, but if you ask me what are the other things that makes a lot of difference to a given person's career, is sometimes for me, as per my experience, I feel uh, communication plays a very important role. I have seen the differences what it makes to someone's career. Communication plays a very important role. Second thing is the networking, the amount of interactions, the amount of support, the the number of connections what you have also make a lot of differences, because yes, we have been working. I have been working in a company, then I quit. I started something on my own. It doesn't go on that smoothly. Okay, for many other people, but might be for me, the way I have got started, there was something. Challenges may not be as a person who is really starting from the scratch. So that all things now very important. Communication really takes you to an extent. Your subject knowledge also plays a very important role. The the networking strength that you have, where people know you or you get to know people, and that actually on a long run really make a lot of differences. These all things are very very important. And beyond that, the other skills could be your technical skills, your skills of people management, your skill of team management, your skill of running a company. All these things are very very important. So what I would like to tell you people is, apart from learning a subject, okay, which you are doing it, okay, you should also try to learn few other qualities. For example, like the presentation skills. Okay, so the aggression that you show sometime towards a given task. Okay, the the technical skills like your Excel, PowerPoint presentations, then your typing speed. Okay, these are some of the important skills I would really like. Like you beginners to have it, because it really makes a lot of difference to many of the companies. Because you know what, there are many companies who prefer to take college pass out, but based on the interview selections of around the topic of reasoning skills, IQ and everything. Why? Because they want to just make sure that the person IQ is very good, so that when they mold them around any of those given topics, they can easily get molded. So they know that we have a quality of the subject expertise, and when any of this real good great minds will come to our organization, the way we have to train them, we will train them, they will become the best. But the question is, I will try training you. Whether you have the capability to pick it up or not, or the way to think on it, sometimes has got a lot of challenges. So that's why many of the companies, they try to pick up these young minds, then they try to mold them to a real good professional expert. Okay. So same way, you people's way of thinking, you people's way of dealing with a thing, you people's way of taking up a client, trying to think from the scratch, trying not to again. So very very important sometimes, for whom you are working for, and again to whom you want to attract, so that it makes a lot of difference to the person for whom you are working. That's because at the end of the day, this digital marketing is connected between customer and the client. And the client wants to connect with the right customer, and the right customer wants to get the right client, so that the deal is happening. So around this, the keyword is involved, the ad is involved, the website is involved, the content is involved, so all those things. So this connected points should be very solid. Then automatically the things will get started. That's very important. So many of the times what happens, there is a quote again, they say, before you speak, you should think. You should not think after speaking. So same way, before you get started with anything, what I mean to say, not only in case of digital marketing, not only in case of your uh, many of the other things that you do,